Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow a profile backlink in this website, and also you are able to create your guest post backlink, and also you can add your site in this website. Okay, so the website name is haveanarticle.com. So you can see this is a website interface, and before this started we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 62, and if we can check the website traffic, so according to SimilarWeb, this website don't have any kind of a traffic. Might this is a new website. So okay, so you can see this is the website, and how you can create your account in this website. So simply you can click on the register button, then you can type your username. So username is Jobma, then you guys will choose your password, and after you can click on the sign in button. Okay, so you need to fill the information here. In the full name you can type your company name, either your personal name, but you guys will don't put space in your full name. Okay, then after you can click on the register now button. So you can see that our account is successfully created. Now what we can do, we can make some changes. So might we received any kind of activation email. Okay, so I haven't received yet. So you can see there is your profile icon. You can click on this, either you can click on this dashboard, and you see this is your profile section. You can navigate to the profile. You can see this is your profile name, nickname if you wanna. So you can change your nickname. So Jobma interview. You can change your display name from there, and here we can add our website URL. Then in the biography section you can add your company description. So you can see this is the company description. Let me copy all the things. You can put it here. Then after, once you guys will complete these things, then after you can click on the update profile button, and you see your profile is successfully updated. And now you can navigate to the website, and you can see still we can going to click on the login button. Yeah, so we are signed in. So you can see that our profile is successfully updated, and now let me check why the profile picture is removed. So you can change profile picture on Gravatar. So we already changed, we have profile picture on Gravatar. Might I don't have idea about this. So you can ignore it for the profile picture for now. Let me show you the our profile. So you can click on the edit profile, and you can see this is your profile landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is an instant approved backlink, and this is the description. So let me show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. And now how you guys will post your article in this website. So let me click on the sign in button. Okay, so you can go to the your here you can put your article description, then your tags. You can see they will charge something to post your article in this website. Article activity for 365 days. Review your article. Okay, so they charge something for your article publication in this website. And let me check the another way if we can publish any article in this website. So click on the add post. They're still asking for payment something, so you can put your article title here. This is my article title. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co, where we can put the content. So I have added number of deals to be published 30, page title, then you can add the page description, keyword, the performance management is the keyword, and after, let me see, submit for review. So we have successfully submitted our draft for the review. If they approve our article, so our article should be going to live in this website. Okay, so overall this is the process. So how you can create your backlink in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can gonna to connect with me easily.